I'm Rosie, and today I'll be showing you the Art Helps Heal Animal Print Kit. In your bag, you will get the sheet of directions. You might get scissors, but not everybody. If not, you can always ask your child life specialist. You'll get a glue stick and a pencil and a few markers. And if you don't get markers, you can also ask your child life specialist for those. You will also receive a few what looks like coloring sheets with different animal body parts on it. You will receive one sheet of tinfoil, one sheet of lace paper, and a variety of different colors and sizes of construction paper, like this. So far, I've arranged my background. You should have gotten a thicker blue piece of paper to use as your background. I ripped my white cotton paper, my gray paper, my green paper, and my brown paper. I find it easier to rip the items instead of cutting them with scissors, so you don't really need scissors for this project. After looking through all of the pieces of paper with the different bodies, heads, feet, and tails, this is what I got. I got this body, and I think I'm going to put it here on my page. I got the crocodile head, which I think I want to put here. I got this tail, and I think I want it like that. And then I got a mane, which I think I'm going to put like that. Once you glue them down or rearrange them the way you want, you can color them and put fun patterns on them. When you're in the hospital, art really does help heal. It helps distract your mind from your current situation. I love doing art in my hospital. This is what I came up with. The colors, I chose different colors and different patterns for each body part and each part of that body part. And this is how I arranged them on the paper. I think it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.